welcome back with another video. In this video I'm just going to talk about one Magisk module which I really like to use, and I just want to share with you guys. So here is the control center or QS panel, whatever you say, and we will just change that control center. Default control center, I don't like it so much, so that's why I just want to change it. So let's see how we guys can change it and how does it look. So your device must be rooted with Magisk Manager. Of course I'm using here the latest one, 24.1, and go to module section, then install from storage and just select that Magisk module and it will be flashed. When you are done, just do a reboot and you guys will get changed your control center. So let's see, it's flashing, and of course thanks to the builder it will take some time, so don't worry. So you guys can see here it's done. Just click reboot system. You guys can see here, just click on reboot system and it will reboot. So finally device is rebooting. So here is the boot animation and this is CipherOS. You guys already watched the review of that ROM. Even if you haven't watched the review, then you guys can check the description. Device booted finally and we unlocked our device, and now let's see our control center or QS panel, whatever you want to say, already changed or not. So let me show you guys. So here you guys can see it's totally changed, and which is very lovely, and 3x4 row and column. You guys can see the QS mode is 3x4, so this is great and it looks pretty fine, and you guys can customize according to your choice, no problem, and you guys can change the toggle position. So this is it, and hope you guys understand everything, and if you guys like it then it's great. And let me show you one thing by changing the wallpaper color. So let's see how does it work or not. So let me open and let me select that one. You guys can try any wallpaper, so let me show you them. So wallpaper already applied, and now we'll see. So you guys can see it's already supporting monet. That means if you change your wallpaper and it will change the color according to your wallpaper. So that's a great thing. The whole toggle will be changed, every single QS toggle. So this is great thing, I guess, and hope you guys like that Magisk mode. And after that I will bring for you iOS emojis, and if you guys like iPhone emojis, then that module will be available for you guys. So stay connected. So thank you for watching.